So we got this situation. So if you'll observe this question, you may find that power is something, things are written in the bracket, and we are not getting any kind of idea. But we are getting something on the denominator, okay? So what I'm suggesting you guys, just take maximum power outside from the bracket. So it is your dx, we have x square. Now if I'll take x power 4 common, x power 4 will come outside, this thing will become 1 and this thing will become x power minus 4, and the whole thing is carrying power 3 by 4. So if this person will come outside, this person will have x power 4 power 3 by 4. So this 4 and that 4 will get neutralized and we will be left with x power 3. So on simplification, you can find out that we got x power 5. 1 plus x power minus 4, 3 by 4. Now easily if you'll observe this thing, now if you'll take that thing as z, 100% on denominator you will have increased power. Correct? So what we will do, we will take z as 1 plus x power minus 4. So it is dz by dx equals minus of 4x power minus of 5. So it is dz by minus of 4 equals dx by x power 5. Okay. So this thing will get clubbed and will produce minus of dz by 4. Okay. So 4 though we can take outside. Minus of 1 by 4 and z power 3 by 4. Now let's do the integration part. 1 by 4 integration of z power minus of 3 by 4 dz. Now let's do the integration. So it is z power minus 3 by 4 plus 1 minus 3 by 4 plus 1 plus integration constant c minus 1 by 4 z to the power what? 1 by 4 upon again 1 by 4. So this thing gone plus integration constant c. But who is z? Z is that ugly thing. So it is 1 plus 1 by x power 4 to the whole power 1 by 4 plus integration constant c. So minus 1 plus x power 4 power 1 by 4 upon x power 4 power 1 by 4 will become x. So this is your integration of the given question. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can approach similar situations. Okay.